Have you ever pondered the question, what is the common thread that weaves through the fabric of many world religions? If we delve a little deeper, we might find that it is the concept of a savior. This idea, the belief in a divine figure who will arrive and deliver humanity from its struggles and tribulations, is a cornerstone of many religious doctrines. The origins of Mahdaviath trace back to the earliest days of Islam. The Prophet Muhammad himself foretold the coming of the Mahdi, a figure who would fill the earth with justice as it was filled with oppression and tyranny. This figure, the Mahdi, is not only a liberator, he is a beacon of hope, a symbol of the triumph of justice over oppression. Mahdaviath is not an abstract concept. It holds tangible significance in the daily lives of Muslims. It serves as a reminder of the promise of a better world, instilling hope in the hearts of the faithful and inspiring them to strive for justice and righteousness in their own lives. It is a guiding light that illuminates the path towards a more equitable world. In summary, Mahdaviath is a powerful belief in a coming savior, deeply rooted in Islamic teachings. It originates from the prophecies of the Prophet Muhammad and holds a promise of a world filled with justice and peace. This belief is not just a doctrine, but a beacon of hope for a better world. A world free from oppression and filled with justice. So, the next time you find yourself contemplating the complexities of religion, remember the concept of Mahdaviath. It is a testament to the universal human longing for justice, peace, and salvation, echoing across different religions and cultures. It is a reminder of our shared hope for a better, more just world.